Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Adobe Scan app. First, you'll need to download the free Adobe Scan app from your device's app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Adobe ID, Google, or Apple account. It's a quick and easy process. Remember to grant the necessary permissions for camera access and storage when prompted, as these are essential for the app to function correctly and save your documents. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute. Now that you're set up, let's scan your first document. Place your document on a flat, well-lit surface. The app uses smart technology to automatically detect the document's edges and capture a high-quality scan. If the automatic detection isn't perfect, don't worry, you can easily adjust the boundaries manually with your fingers. For multi-page documents, simply tap the Continue button after each capture to add more pages to your single PDF file. It's incredibly intuitive. After capturing your scan, it's time to refine it. Review your document and utilize the powerful editing tools available. You can easily crop, rotate, and adjust the color of your scan to ensure optimal clarity and readability. Experiment with various filters like Original Photo, Grayscale, or Whiteboard to enhance its appearance. If there are any imperfections or smudges, the Cleanup tool allows you to effortlessly remove them, making your document look professional and polished. Once you're satisfied with your edited scan, tap Save PDF to process and securely save your document. All your saved scans are conveniently accessible from the Recent tab or the All Scans list within the app. Sharing your PDF is straightforward. You can send it via email, various messaging applications, or upload it directly to cloud storage services. For added flexibility, you can even convert your PDF to other formats, such as JPEG or Microsoft Word, using Adobe Document Cloud services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.